Hello, Obophiles. It's Danny Cruz. I'm a little bit sick this week, but I still wanted to bring you guys another video for the Obophiles channel. Okay, so sometimes I'll be playing my oboe and just having a great time. And after playing for a while, I'll get this like crunchy sound in one of my notes. And it sounds like a spider just crawled up into my oboe. And it can be so incredibly frustrating. But there's an easy solution. All you have to do is take out your cigarette paper. It usually comes in a little book like this. And you just take out one of the sheets, just rip it right out. And you can usually tell where the water is because it'll be in whatever the lowest hole is of the note that was crackling. And if you're not sure, you can just open a bunch of the keys and put your cigarette paper in and see where it gets wet. Once you know where the water is, just put your cigarette paper under those keys and take your top joint off. And you're going to want to seal the bottom of it and blow as you flutter the key where the water is. And once you've done that, you're usually in good shape to keep playing or practicing or whatever you want to do with your oboe. Now, if you're in a really tight spot and you need the water to go immediately, you don't have time to use a cigarette paper, you can always just blow the water out. So there's always something you can do in an emergency. Okay, well, I hope this video helped you guys out. I want to have a drawing when I get to a certain number of subscribers. I haven't thought it out all the way through, but I want to give some stuff away to really show my appreciation to all the people who have supported me through these projects. And to see more helpful oboe content, you can go check out my website at www.obophiles.com. Thanks a lot.